You're watching iLovei. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And today we're in K-Town. We're checking out Koreatown Pizza Company.
So this place got the Bulgogi Pizza, and we're about to check it out for y'all. Come check it out with us.
Bring the squad.
If we were to wrap up 2017 into a pizza, it'd look like this.
So it has corn like it's an elote, and then it has like this deep fried onion that reminds me of like those awesome blossoms. Oh man.
It's got a blooming onion in the middle of the pizza.
Yeah. And then we got the morning glory. Look at that.
It looks like an omelet.
They just threw an omelet on the top of the pizza. Let's start with this one.
Because it's more manageable. We don't even know how to start that one yet.
I know. So they use a hash brown crust.
So it's literally breakfast in your hands. It's got cheese, it's got scrambled egg and sausage, and it does have a hash brown crust. So it's like a Hot Pocket.
Oh my God. Oh, that's good though.
That was good though.
Dude, that hash brown crust, man. Oh, this is straight up greasy, but it's good.
Wow. Their pizza here are very hard to manage. I don't know how to start this one.
Let's try to attack this. I think I need a plate. So I'm gonna get a slice. Dude, I want some of that fried onion. That's how you gotta get your pizza. You gotta stab it.
There it is.
All right, let's check it out.
So their pizzas here are probably meant to be eaten with a fork. That's why they give you this thing right here, right? But I believe pizza should be eaten with your hands, not with a freaking fork.
I agree. That's so messy. Oh, yeah.
But I did get a piece of that whole entire blooming onion on here, so. And all I got was onion.
You're sure trying to eat some food. I don't know what to say, man. There's like so much going on.
I mean, you got cheese, you got corn, you got bulgogi.
And you got a cheese crust right here. I didn't even try this cheese crust yet. Oh man, that cheese crust is bomb. So they got other crust, they got 6 other crusts you can get on their pizzas. Hash brown crust, you can get the golden crust, the cheese crust. They even had a mocha crust.
They have a golden crust. They had a beef and broccoli crust, I think, or broccoli crust, something like that. For you vegans out there. But while you're at it, hit that subscribe button, man. Smash that subscribe button. And also, follow us on the Snapchat. Pretty lit.
Especially when Sonny got the glasses on.
But yeah, this pizza, it's actually not bad. Just I think the onion for me kind of overdoes it.
And they give you big servings too. I mean, that's a pretty huge pizza. It's a cool environment here. You can like just come here, grab some drinks with your friends, watch the games and all that. And they're open till like 11 o'clock.
It looks like all they serve is like beer and wine, but it's a wannabe bar.
They got soju.
This place is actually pretty good. I like the morning glory pizza. Just gotta have it. You gotta have that. It's good.
I like this Kingsley. This thing's bomb. Just because it has so many different flavors. It's really greasy as hell.
But it gets lost. The flavors get lost, I'm telling you. But it's good. It's not that.
But that crust though, man. Oh.
Yeah. But the morning one is pretty good. I love Morning Glory is good. This place is in like the heart of LA.
Right off Wilshire.
You guys need to come check this place out, man.
Bring your squad too, because there's a lot of food.
Yeah, so they have a squad deal you can pick up, but it's like $10. So you can feed your whole squad for $10. But yo, thanks for watching us.
Follow us on our social media.
Down below.
And make sure you hit that bell so you can get notifications for all the videos that come out.
Yeah, join that notification squad, man. And also subscribe. Also leave some comments down below.
Let us know what spots you want us to check out in 2018. And also, share this with your family and friends, because I love it. And we're going to catch you in the next video.
Peace.